Hey Conquerors, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on yet another Conquering Asia YouTube video. So this video I have for you guys today is just a quick, simple review on this hair install that I have in right now. I know if you guys have been to my channel before, you are probably already thinking, sis, we've seen you with that style. Blunt cut bobs are like one of my favorite styles ever because they're easy, they flow well, and you know, I like simple. Sometimes I don't want to be wearing bright red hair. Sometimes I want to be doing something a little basic, okay? So this hair that I have on my head right now that I did for this quick weave this morning. Yes, I did my hair like this morning. I have a little leave out, just a little quick style, something that'll last me for the next couple of weeks. So this hair is top hair, and I did get it through Amazon. Now you Conquerors that have been here for a while know that me and Amazon get along great, and if you guys haven't been here for a while, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. You guys know I love Amazon. You know I order practically anything that I can find off of Amazon, especially wigs and hair. So this hair I did find on Amazon. This is not my first time using this hair. This is my second time using it, so that I wanted to give you guys a review on it once I came back the second time after using it and after already having it installed with this hair, so that I could actually give you guys an accurate review. I actually like this hair. It's super affordable, super affordable. Wait till I tell you how much these bundles are on Amazon. But it's super affordable. It's quality hair. It's soft, it's smooth. It does not come with a smell. I got it in the straight texture. They have so many textures, it's ridiculous. They have several hair color options, of course, links galore. The brand name of this hair was Top Hair, but it does go by a different name. I think this is the supplier's name if you were to order through them via wholesale. And this is the supplier's name. I don't really know how to pronounce that, so, and you know, I'm pretty, I like to think I'm pretty articulate, but I can't really pronounce it. Agme. Who really knows, you know, but it's right here. I ordered 3 bundles from them via Amazon, like I said, straight through Amazon Prime. I got it 2 days, probably the top of the second day after I ordered, so I got it very quickly and very soon. This is 12 inches. I got 3 12-inch bundles. This is not the full bundle, obviously. This is what I had left over after doing this quick weave. And I got 3 12-inch bundles and still had hair left over. And I cut it into more of a blunt cut bob. The bundles are very thick. I'm going to insert a couple pictures in a slight video of one of the bundles right here. And I had no problems with shedding. I had no problems with the wefts not being sewn properly. I do believe that they are machine sewn from how I looked at them, but everything looks great. Everything looked good. For the 12-inch bundles, they are $12.95 per bundle. You cannot beat that price with a stick. $12.95. Okay, let's round it up. $13 per bundle. My order total for 2 bundles when I purchased them was just $25 flat, but for the additional bundle it came out to be $37.90. So between $37 and $39, you're going to be under $40 for 3 bundles of Brazilian virgin hair. So when you get the hair, they do send you this catalog of all their hair that they currently have available right now on their Amazon store via this name right here. Top Hair is one of the brand names that they've established with their hair, the main brand name that they've established with their virgin hair. They also have crochet style hair that you can order via Amazon through them. They have braiding hair of multiple colors. As you can see, they got a blue color, a blonde, a red, even a silver or white color here. And this is where all their bundles are. They have closures to match every bundle hair texture that you could think of, and then open on the inside and bam, wham, turkey and ham. Look at all that. Look at all that. The bundle deals are extremely affordable as well. They even have wigs, but I believe all these wigs right here in synthetic, which doesn't make it a bad thing. They're just be aware. So the great thing about this catalog is that you can instantly, through your Amazon app on your phone or on your iPad, click the scan option and you can scan any of these barcodes and it will bring you directly to not only their store, but directly to the scanned item that you want to look at. Also in this catalog, you can also see all the price ranges for each type of bundle, each type of hair product or wig that you may want to order via their store. And on here it says that this exact bundle, this is the exact bundle I got right here, the Brazilian straight. This is $15.95 for this one, and this is, I believe, the 16-inch length. And I only got 12-inch. I think the 10-inch is also $12, and then the 14-inch is, I want to say $14 or $13. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it, but I will link all their information for the store directly onto there. If you want to see how I got this quick weave style, I'm gonna go ahead and insert my video link for how I do my quick weaves right here. It's a super easy protective style process. The reason I say mine is a protective style, or the way that I do mine is a protective style, is because I make sure I cover all of my hair completely so that the glue will not touch my hair, but yet it still adheres to the protective device that I put onto my head to protect my hair. I'm gonna also link it in the description if you wanna check that video out, because it is fairly recent and you still got plenty of time to look at it. I do use a different brand and a different type of hair in that video as a more affordable option, but you can definitely go and get this hair if you wanna spend just like an extra $20. It's still under $40 to get this hair. It's definitely the bang for your buck if you want a virgin hair option. This hair can be dyed. This hair does come in a natural color, it says, but this is closer to a 1B to me because I have my natural hair dyed a jet black or a 1B color, and it matches my hair perfectly. The hair does come and have a lot of body to it and has a lot of movement, but I cut my hair pretty short and pretty blunt, so I still have movement there, as you can see, but I mean, I can still get my Edna mode on. Pull yourself together! Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys can see these jeans. Look at these little holes on these jeans. I got these jeans via Fashion Nova. I don't mess with Fashion Nova like that no more, to be honest, but y'all know their jeans are to die. That's the only downside, though, about sitting down with high-waist jeans and a crop top. No matter how flat your stomach may be, you're always going to have a little spillage, and the spillage ain't cute, y'all. Spillage is not cute. Okay, so that's all I have today for my quick review on this hair. This is Top Hair via Amazon. Super. Listen, y'all, if y'all don't know one thing about me, Conquerors, I'm cheap. I like to save my money when purchasing things that I like. Even if it's like buying high-end or designer type items, I'm gonna look to where I can find the best deal before I pay full price. That's just how I am. I'm cheap. It's great quality to an extent. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave if you have not already subscribed. Go ahead and click that subscribe button to join the Conquering family. You're already a Conqueror, you might as well join, right? Make sure you click that like button on that video and drop down in that description bar if you want some more information on how I do my own quickly, and also you want some more information on this brand Top Hair or their Amazon store altogether. Thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Be grateful, be blessed, be happy, and have a wonderful day. Thanks.